Hello everyone, welcome to the maths class of grade 4, chapter 6 weight, session 2. In this session, we shall learn the topics addition of weight, subtraction of weight and word problems of weight. So children, to understand the concept of addition and subtraction of weight, let's be with Shanvi and her father. Both of them have gone to a shopping mall to buy some grains and some other things. They have to buy 28 kilograms 75 grams of wheat, 15 kilograms 200 grams of rice. So, what is the total weight of grains they bought? So children, as we have to find out the total weight of grains, we need to do addition of numbers. For this, we shall make two columns, one of kg and the other one is of gram, and we shall arrange all the numbers according to the units given. So here 15 kg 200 grams plus 28 kg 75 grams. So we shall start addition from grams column. 0 plus 5 is equal to 5, 0 plus 7 equals to 7, 2 plus 0 equals to 2. And then we shall move to kg section. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13, 3 down, 1 carried over, 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. So we can say that they bought 43 kg 275 grams of grains in all. After purchasing grains, they came to purchase corn and groundnuts. They bought 38 kg 789 grams of corn and 18 kg 256 grams of groundnuts. So, how much more corn did they buy than groundnuts? So, children, to know that how much more corn did they purchase than groundnuts, we shall do the subtraction of number. Again, we shall make the two columns, kg and gram, and we shall arrange all the numbers according to the units. Then we shall start subtraction from the grams column. Here 9 minus 6 is equal to 3, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Then 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So, they bought 20 kg 533 grams more corn than groundnuts. So children, let's understand the addition of weight by solving worksheet 3. It's given in your PM page number 60. You have to solve all these questions in your notepad. So here I have taken 3 questions from question A to make you all understand the concept. So let's read all the questions and solve them one by one. So here question A is 7 kg 325 grams and 9 kg 414 grams. So as you can see in the question, 2 units are given. The bigger unit is kg. So kg will be coming in first column and in the second column gram will be coming. Now we shall start putting the numbers according to the given units. Like 7 will be coming under kg, 325 will be coming under grams column. Here 9 kg, so 9 will be coming under kg section and 414 grams will be coming under gram column. Then we shall start addition from grams column. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So 739 grams we got. Then we shall move towards kg. So 7 plus 9 is equal to 16 kg. So our answer shall be 16 kg 739 grams. Same way we shall arrange all the numbers in this question C also. 42 kg 634 grams and 51 kg 523 grams. So here after arranging all the numbers according to the units, we shall start addition from grams column. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So actually here in grams we are getting 1157 grams. That is equal to 1 kg 157 grams. So this 1 kg shall be carried forward to kg section. So here in kg 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So our final answer will be 94 kg 157 grams. Now look at question F. Here three numbers are given: 62 kg 5 grams plus 71 kg 52 grams and 11 kg 529 grams. So children, for arranging these numbers you have to be very careful, as here in kg 62 is given. You shall put it as usual. In grams it's written 5, so you have to write 5 at the place of ones, and you can put 0 according to the other places. Now second number is 71 kg then 52 grams, so 2 shall be at one place and 1 shall be at 10th place. In third number 11 kg 529 grams, so look at the place values of all the numbers, how I have put all the numbers. Then after arranging all the numbers, we shall start addition from grams column and we shall move towards kg. So after doing that, we got answer 144 kg 586 grams. Hope you all understood this concept. So let's move to the next slide. Now let's play some brain game. Here, balance the scales. You can see the scales here. You have to write the numbers which shall be balancing these scales. Like see the example A here, 300 grams and one blank box is given. That will be balancing to 1 kg. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 300 grams are already here. So 1000 gram minus 300 gram, that is equal to 700 grams. So 700 grams will be balancing this scale. Same way you have to find out all the answers. The time limit will be 10 minutes for it. Okay, so everybody will do, and after that you have to cross check the answers with this green box. Now the second one. Here you have to find out the weight of these 3 chickens and then the weight of this hen minus 1 chicken. Okay, think, write your answer and pause the video. After that you can cross check the answers from this. Hope you will enjoy doing this activity. Now let's learn the subtraction of weight. Here worksheet 3 is given in your maths book, page number 60. You have to solve all these questions in your notepad. Find the difference. Let's read all the questions and solve them. So question A is 8 kg 475 grams and 3 kg 162 grams. You have to find the difference between two numbers. It means we have to do subtraction. So we shall make 2 columns, as you all know, and we shall arrange all the numbers according to the units. Here 8 is the bigger number than 3, so it shall be put in the first column and 3 shall be put in the second column, and we shall start subtraction from grams section. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So 313 grams. Then 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So our final answer will be 5 kg 313 grams. Now let's look at question C. 42 kg 675 grams and 26 kg 439 grams. So here obviously 42 kg is the bigger number, so it will be coming in first column with 675 at the place of gram. And after arranging all the numbers, we shall do subtraction. So after that, you can see that we got the answer 16 kg 236 grams. Now here in question F, 150 kg 750 grams and 110 kg 950 grams. So children, look here, after arranging the numbers, it's not possible to subtract 950 from 750, as 750 is the smaller number than 950. So we shall borrow 1 kg from this 150. So this 150 will be 149 now, as it has given 1 kg to this 750, and as 750 has taken 1 kg, that means 1000 gram. So 1000 plus 750, that is equal to 1750 grams. Now we shall subtract 1750 grams minus 950 grams, that is equal to 800 grams. And in kg section, 9 minus 0 is equal to 9, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So our final answer will be 39 kg 800 grams. Hope you understood, children. Now, based on addition and subtraction of weight, in worksheet 4 in your maths book, page number 62, word problems are given. So here I have taken 2 word problems, A and C. Let's read and try to solve them. Question A is, 2 baskets contain 8 kg 650 grams and 5 kg 550 grams of tomatoes. How much is the total quantity of tomatoes? So children, here we have to find the total quantity. That means we need to do addition. Let's see how to frame the statement. Quantity of tomatoes in first basket is equal to 8 kg 650 grams. Here also we shall arrange all the numbers according to the columns and units. Quantity of tomatoes in second basket is equal to 5 kg 550 grams. So total quantities of tomatoes is equal to 14 kg 200 grams after addition. So answer statement will be, total quantity of tomatoes is 16 kg 200 grams. Now let's read question 2 and solve it. In a ration shop, there was 1250 kg 875 grams of wheat in the morning. During the day, 1080 kg 250 grams wheat was sold out. By the evening, how much of wheat was left in the shop? So children, here we have to find the left out amount of wheat in the shop. So we shall do subtraction. Yes, correct. Let's frame the statements. Quantity of wheat in the morning is equal to 1250 kg 875 grams. Quantity of wheat sold out is equal to 1080 and 250 grams. So quantity of wheat left in the shop, we have to do a simple subtraction here of grams and kilograms. So we are getting answer 170 kg 625 grams. So our answer statement will be 170 kg 625 grams of wheat was left in the shop. Hope you understood, children. So that's all from the second session of weight. Keep solving assignments and